Hi, this is Curtis from TeachBeacon. I want to talk about how to use TeachBeacon to serve multiple clients. So if you are a training company that services a lot of different kinds of clients and delivers training to them, TeachBeacon was built for you. So we are a training company ourselves. We've trained at companies like Verizon and Delta, Time Warner, AAA, a lot of the Fortune 1000. And we built TeachBeacon for us to be able to deliver training to multiple clients. So if you are a training company like us and need that capability, TeachBeacon is right up your alley. So if you want to know all of the features of TeachBeacon, go ahead and go over to teachbeacon.com. There's a video there that lays out every feature that we have. But for this, I just want to concentrate on why it's a good choice if you have multiple clients and need to be able to do that. So, and just very briefly, the vision here of TeachBeacon is it's everything that you need to do virtual training in one platform. Okay, it's a virtual classroom, it's content authoring and management, LMS on the back end, it's collaboration and coaching, and it's reporting and administration, all in one tool. So there's no broken integrations anywhere. It just all works in one browser-based platform. So now for why this works for multiple clients if you are a company that operates like that. Okay, so like I said, it is browser based. There's nothing to download, so clients don't have to worry about, can they download this on their computer or that on their computer. There's nothing to download. It all happens in the browser, so that makes it easy. Again, everything is in one platform, so clients don't have to worry about using multiple tools, downloading multiple things. That makes it easy on each client that everything happens in one easy-to-use platform. Okay, we have multi-tenancy support, so that's very important. We built this structurally so that you can have each client, if you want to, each client can have their own subdomain on an enterprise rollout of TeachBeacon for you or for your company. And that data is walled off, right? So the clients don't have to worry about, oh, well, can some of your other clients see my data or this or that? Each client has their own subdomain. You can manage all that. It spins it up automatically. You just tell it what subdomain you want to have or a list of subdomains, and those can be created. And so each client can have their own dedicated subdomain. Like I said, the client's data and reporting is walled off, so if an administrator wants to log in and see their reporting, they can do that without looking through or filtering for anything. It's just all their data is in one spot. Course templates are available, so if you need to create a course once and then duplicate that course or multiply that course across lots of different clients and then maybe do some customizations once they're in the client portals, you can do that. So you can do a course template and copy it across everywhere, and that makes facilitating courses very easy for teachers. Okay, and then again, it can be white labeled. So I'll show you what this looks like. So like I said, we're a training company. We're called DataCrunch. This is our logo. So our instance of TeachBeacon is datacrunch.teachbeacon.com. And we have our logo here, so it's white labeled. Again, if you go the enterprise rollout edition here, we could put this on your domain. So we could, for us, say something like learn.datacrunch.com could be a subdomain, or it could be each of our clients. So it could be verizon.datacrunch.com or AAA.datacrunch.com, and then each of those portals could be an instance of TeachBeacon for those clients. Okay, payments are very easily received. Okay, so you can receive payments for on-demand courses, virtual courses, blended courses. We have true blended courses here. Again, teachbeacon.com can show you all that functionality. Multiple currencies, multiple payment types. So however you want to get paid in whatever currency and whatever ACH or credit card, it's all available in the system. It can all be configured according to how you do business. Okay, it's secure, scalable, and accessible. Okay, so end-to-end encryption, security is at the core of this platform, so you don't have to worry about your data being pirated off to anybody or shared with anybody. Your client's data is safe. It's scalable. Okay, so it's built on AWS with Elastic Beanstalk, and so the amount of users that you have on the platform at any given time, the system underneath will scale to meet that need and that load on the servers, so you don't have to worry about that. It works on a mobile device, again, so sometimes your clients are on mobile or they're on desktop or whatever. It works in both of those platforms equally well. It was designed mobile first, actually, and it's interoperable with other learning tools. So Adobe Connect, Microsoft Teams, all those kinds of things, we have interoperability. and can bring in content from there. It's 100% SCORM compliant. We have Tin support. So, and a RESTful API. So if you do want to import or export any of the content from any other of your clients' LMSs, very, very doable, very easy, okay? Course authoring, if you don't want to import something from an LMS, you can build it right here on the platform. So we do have course authoring, and just as a brief I'll show you here, this is just a sample course, okay? So manage courses, you can come in here and you have some courses here. And you can author these courses right here on the platform, right? So here's our lessons. You hit the plus sign to create a new lesson. You can have quizzes, assessments, evaluations, certificates, materials, and then you can order these as you would like in a drag and drop interface once you update it. And so you can make your course however you want it to look like in a fairly straightforward manner. Lastly, there's a full audit trail, right? So anytime anybody does anything on the platform, it's logged, right? So you can see what teachers are doing, what students are doing. If something goes wrong at some point in a live session or when you're building content or whatever it might be, you can trace that back in the system and figure out what was going on. And so that makes it very easy to make sure everything is working the way that you want it to work. Okay, so we built the platform with multi-tenancy in mind. We built it so that training companies could handle a large amount of clients. That was the first purpose of the platform, actually, to be able to handle that kind of a scenario, because that's what we do. So if this interests you, again, head to teachbeacon.com. You can see all of the other features that we have. Reach out to us, sign up for the beta program, or sign up and get your free subdomain and give it a test drive, and we think you'll really like it. We're on a mission to create the best virtual training platform on the market, okay? And we're talking to a lot of people and getting their feedback, and we're making progress. So hopefully this tool will help you, and we'd love to see you jump on board. Thanks.